This is the second book of Bird and Squirrel on Ice. Bird and Squirrel on Ice. Somewhere high above the South Pole. I don't like this. It's cold. And I'm pretty sure we're lost. Don't be ridiculous. I know exactly where we are. My bird senses are never wrong. Slam. My bird senses are telling me we hit a mountain. Crack. What was that? I think we broke the mountain. Avalanche. This is bird-tastic. We're riding an avalanche. I don't like avalanches. Look, Squirrel. We're going backward. I don't like going backward. How about upside down? No. One-footed? Definitely not. Please, just let me know when it's over. It's over. It's too soon to tell. Did we make... Oh, it's over. Did we make it? It's too soon to tell. Ah! How was that? How was that? A perfect landing? Another perfect landing. How was that a perfect landing? Any landing where you walk away a perfect landing is a perfect landing in my book. Who's there? Show yourself. Shh. Do you hear something besides myself talking? Gah! Po! Gah! Something bit me. Huh? Don't worry. He does that a lot. Who are you? Whoa, take it easy. I'm Bird. I'm dying. Why me? Why? And my frantic friend is Squirrel. Where did you come from? We were flying overhead when we hit a mountain. You can fly? Of course I can fly. It's you. You're the chosen one. The what? The chosen one. Legend tells of a day when a winged bird will fall from above and bring peace and prosperity to our penguin village. I did fall from the sky, and I do like peace. Yep, that is definitely me. My name is Sakari. It is an honor to meet you. So this is what death feels like? It's so cold. Everything is white. That's because you're lying in the snow. And I'm turning blue. Squirrel, you've always been blue. Look, you don't even have a scratch. Oh, haha, what do you know? Come, I must let the chief know that the chosen one has arrived. Wait, what? Who's the chosen one? Row. What was that? Hey guys, wait for me. Welcome to my village. We have lived here for many freezes. It's nice. Hi. Hello, ladies. How are ya? Working hard or hardly working? You sure do eat a lot of fish. Oh, this isn't for us. Gasp, gasp, gasp. Whoa, don't worry. I'm the chosen one. I'm here to help you. Are you okay? Is that really him? It is. Saving the day one penguin at a time. If this isn't for you, then who is it for? This fish is for Bow. What was that? That's the great whale. We feed him most of the fish we catch, and in exchange he doesn't eat us. That seems fair. Maybe, but our lives would be much easier if we could swim and fish in the bay. The chief has been looking for you. Thanks for the warning. Father, I have good news. Where have you been? You know you're not allowed outside the safety of the village alone. I'm capable of taking care of myself. No, you're not. Never mind. I thought you'd like to know that I found the chosen one. Sup? This is the chosen one? Love that pointy hat. Yes, he fell from above just as the legend foretold, and he may have landed on his head. He doesn't look like a mighty warrior. Well, you can't judge a bird by its beak. I am, after all, a master of bird foo. Not to be confused with bird blue. Prepare to be amazed. Wah! Cha! Hi-ya! Flippity flop! Can't stop. Upside down, right side up. Now you see me, now you don't. Fly like a bird, sting like a bee. You are the chosen one. No way! It's really him? In 2 days the moon will be full, and the chosen one will use his mighty spirit to free us from the great whale. Once and for all. Woohoo! Yay! Freedom! Free you from the great whale? How's he going to do that? Easy. The chosen one defeats the great whale in a battle. Battle? He has to fight that thing? It's the only way. Ah, nuts. 3 cheers for the chosen one. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Thanks for the ride. We have got to get out of here. You know there's no way you can defeat the whale, right? Yeah, don't worry. I can outmaneuver that outgrown goldfish with one wing tied behind my back. This isn't a game. You're putting yourself in serious danger. Yawn. Good morning, Squirrel. Sleep well? What do you think of my new chosen one sculpture? Pretty great, huh? The first one wasn't mighty enough, so I had them make the bigger one. Hey, where are you going? To find Sakari. Come on, stay here. I can ask them to carve a tiny statue of you. You could be holding my drink. No thanks. Good morning, Squirrel. Gah! Are you okay? Oh, yeah, fine. It's just a mild heart attack. I'm on my way to do some target practice. You want to come along? Sure. Listen, I'm really worried about Bird. He's going to be whale food. There's nothing to worry about. The legend clearly states that the chosen one defeats the great whale and becomes a hero. I promise everything is going to be fine. I hope you're right. You just need to relax. Here, give it a try. It always works for me. Oh no, really shouldn't. I'll poke my eye out. It's easy. You just aim at the target and throw. Thwack. Ha, that does seem pretty easy. Whoa. Crack. Maybe we should try ice fishing instead. This looks like a good spot. How do we fish through the ice? First we have to cut a hole. Crack. Impressive. You really can take care of yourself. Tell that to my father. He refuses to see me as anything but his precious daughter. He probably just doesn't want anything bad to happen to you. Maybe, but that's so boring. I want to fish and hunt. I've got a bite. Hurry, pull it up. Huh? Where's my fish? Growl. Ah! Not so fast. Gasp, gasp, gasp. I don't want to have to hurt you. Either go back where you came from or stay here to face the consequences. Growl. You asked for it. Whap. Oof. Thwack. Smack. He got away. It's fine. He's just trying to survive, like the rest of us. Why are things always trying to eat me? Everything is always trying to eat something. Couldn't we have taken the other way back to the village? Trust me, this way is better. Are you sure it's safe? Yes, it's safe. Look, Squirrel. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? Bow! So, does the old whale ever leave the bay? We're not sure where the great whale goes when it's not being fed. No one's brave enough to go into the water to find out. It's too bad there isn't a way to get him out and close up this opening. We don't have to worry about it now that the chosen one is here. Did someone say chosen one? Thanks, boys. I'll walk from here. Okay, we're going to pause there.